Are you tired of Bumble and want to delete your account but don't know how to delete it? Well, worry not, we're here to help. Hey guys, and welcome to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to delete your Bumble account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type bumble.com and hit on enter right now. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Now what we need to do is simply go to settings. At the top left, here's your profile icon right here, simply click on it. Then this will open up. On the navbar in the left, there are many tabs like edit profile, settings. Let's simply click on settings tab right here. And this will open up. Let's simply scroll down. At the very end, you'll see something like delete account. The button's right below log out. Let's click on the delete account button right here. Now it's gonna ask for your confirmation whether you actually want to delete your account or not. As I want to delete it, I'm simply gonna click on this delete account button. In case you do not want to, you can hit on cancel as well. Right now I want to delete, so I'm gonna click on this button right here. It's gonna ask me to select a reason for deleting my account. Let's select whichever one we wish. You can either add a feedback or not, it's completely up to you. I'm simply gonna hit on skip right now. Finally, it's gonna ask you to enter this captcha that's provided. I'm gonna enter it right now. And once you've written it, let's simply hit on delete account. Well guys, that's it. That's how you delete your Bumble account. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Thank you.